So we're gonna have a little bit of fun, yeah? A little bit of fun. We're getting close to Christmas. And I've run over my cable again. Hang on. Oh, professional streamer. Ah. There we go. Got it. Hey. So we're having a little bit of fun. So I've given the book. I've given the book a rest today. Because I was giving it a rest today. So I've been messing around with this, where my finger's pointing. So what I've done is I've tried to make the maze bigger, so when it goes up there, you'll be able to see it. Yeah? You'll be able to see it. Now, I might not put it up there. I might use NicoCam for it. But, as you can see, if you do exclamation mark move, then it's N-E-W-S, yeah? And you can move the cursor about in the maze. So I think the ads have come on now. There's no logic to restart the game, so when you get bored, I can reset it. And there's no logic to say that you've got to the end yet, because I've just been messing about. So, who's in chat? Say hello. Come on, say hello. Who's in chat? We know Fairlane's in the building. Who else? We got Gary and Saucy. Is there anybody else? No one else? Oh, who sent it down a dead end?
There must be more people somewhere.
Up a dead end.
Who sent it down a dead end?
Who's gone opposite of south and east to get it out?
The opposite of south is north. There you go. Oh, hang on. No.
Oh, you need to go south and you need to go east.
Got to go south, haven't we?
Yeah, I said who has gone in them directions?
It wasn't me, honest.
There you go. I can see this getting really annoying. It's upside down for me, so I'm going to have to invert the camera, I think.
Evening, SP.
Hey, SP, welcome. Welcome. So, we're going to have a bit of fun today. So, I've given the book a rest today, because I had to give my brain a rest. So, I've been working on this. I've been working on this here. This. I've made the map bigger. Yeah, made the map bigger. Let's do that a little bit. So hopefully you can see it better than rather than just one speck. It's now a block. So the map is less defined. Yeah. Perhaps the title is not attractive. How to become a Boolean logic goddess. Well, that's what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to leave that there. If the block goes off, we'll just reset it and get it to rebuild, make a new one, and that's just going to sit there because then you guys can test it to your leisure. So it's move and then NEWS. Right, the next thing is guess what came today? Look at this. Look at this. Looky. Not plugging my merchandise or anything like that. But it's quite hefty. So yeah, I've got now my 650 twin side bottle. So You can buy one at all good merch stores. Oh, right. Apparently, it's made in a certain country that we're not happy with. So yeah, make sure you get one.
Made in France. Made in France.
So make sure you get one. I'll put it over there so you can see it. Let's see. Can you see it over there? Yeah, you can see it over there. Right. So so we're not doing the book today. Because, like I say, I'm giving my brain a rest. It's hard work writing a book. Hard work. But I was asked about Boolean logic. You know, how can you work out Boolean logic? So I was trying to think how we can do it programmatically, and I've decided to abandon it. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to first principles. For all those people that don't know anything about Boolean logic, truth tables, and all the other jiggery pokery that comes with it. So there will be homework, and I expect people to contribute to the homework. But we're going to have a bit of fun on how to work out Boolean algorithms, and then how we can simplify them and do all that while Gary and SP are fighting with the bot for control of the maze. Like I say, that's going to be very distracting for me because I can see it moving in the corner of my eye. Right. So this is the maze. So I'm gonna close this down now because I've had enough of that. So Boolean logic. Here we go. First principles. Now, in the real world, every logic gate is built out of a NAND gate. Every one. But we're not going to be doing that. We're going to be using ANDs, ORs, and NOTs. We're going to use the standard 3 and XOR if we can code it right to work out what type of NOT. So we can work out some Boolean logic. So Gary has pointed me in a direction of a piece of software that you can get online. You have to pay a small fee if you want. Here it is. There it is. I'll paste it in there. And you can download this simulator that allows you to mess around with Boolean. All right. So I have only just learnt this package. So if it goes completely wrong, you can blame Gary. All right.
Oh, thanks.
So let's start a new project. So stream 01 because I've already created a stream. Right, so when you start off with ANDs and NOTs. That's all you get. So what we need to do is we need to create an OR gate. So we can use AND, OR, AND, NOT, and OR. So we need to create an OR gate. So here we go. This is... You ready? You ready, Gary? For me to completely make a complete and utter... of myself. Right.
You've just done this one. You should be all right.
Shut up. You just ruined my Blue Peter moment. So we're going to create a truth table for an OR gate. Yeah. So we're going to create an OR gate. Right. So we have two inputs and we have an output. Yeah. So we're using Excel because it's easier to mess around with, seeing as that Gary and I was using Notepad and it was very frustrating. It was very frustrating. So we're going to create an OR gate. So an OR gate is if we put the truth table in. So 0 1 1 0 1 1. So there's the truth table for a 2-parameter. Have you lost it? You lost it. There you go. Right? And an OR gate, of course, is... There you go. So... I haven't got the code in. You had found the exit, but I haven't put the code in to say that, hey, you won, yeah? But there will be eventually. So an OR gate is, if there's a 1, it's a 1, yeah? So this is the result of an OR gate. So how can we produce this? How can we get this result by only using ands and nots? Now, this is where...
My hands up.
You what?
I said, I've got my hand up. I know, sir.
Oh, shut up. Right. So, effectively, we need to get this. So, we need to get this, and we need this to be the opposite, yeah? So, how do we do it? How do we do it? Right, let me just look at my notes. just look at my notes. So, if we do an and, so if I just copy this and stick it over here somewhere. So that's the result. That's what we need. Yeah. So let's add a couple of more columns. So not A and not B. Right. So here we go. So not if we're inverting both of them. So that'll end up like that. That will end up like that. That will end up like that. And that will end up like that. Yeah. If we AND these two together, yeah, we get 1, 1, 1, that. Which is sort of what we want. Sort of.
Say that again. You do what?
They should be 1, 0, 0, 0. Should they AND them together?
You what, mate?
If you're ANDing them two results together, you should get 1, 0, 0, 0.
That's better. I thought that's what you said and looked and went, no, that's not right.
Yeah.
Gary's awake as well.
Yeah, I was testing you.
Gary, we passed. We can go.
Early finish tonight, Saucy.
So, this is A and not B, yeah? And as you can see, look, we're almost there. What do we need to do to get this to this? What do we need to do? Not the output. Exactly. So we need to do this. Right? So that becomes that. So now we have worked out what the logic gates we need to produce the OR gate in here, right? So let's do it. Let's do it. Right, so let's get 2 inputs. So 1, 2. There's our 2 inputs. And where's my spreadsheet gone? So we're looking. So we need to knot the 2 inputs. That's the first thing we need to do. We need to knot the 2 inputs. Right. So knot. We'll put one there, and we'll put one there. So we just connect them together. So if you've got this software, which I put a link into chat, and you pay a small amount, I mean it's not a lot, small amount, you can get this software and you can mess around to your heart's content, yeah? Then, what else do we need to do? So if we go back to the spreadsheet, we need to, so we've got these 2. So now we need to AND the 2 outputs of those 2 knots. So let's put the AND there, and we'll join them up like so. So as you can see, a 0 value, when you put through a knot, becomes a 1 value, and that's why it's light red compared to dark red. So the simulator's already starting to execute this logic. And the final thing we need to do is we need to knot the output. So let's put a knot there. Let's join it up. And we'll create an output over here. So that's our output, and we'll join it up. Hey, presto, super duper. Now my OCD's now kicking in, so nothing's straight. There we go, that's better. Oh, look at this. We can call them names. B. A. And we'll call that OR, yeah? So now we can turn these off and on, and it will tell us what the output is. So if we turn them both off, we've gone and said that if both of them are off, we should get 0 out. That's what we're doing. Then if we do 1 on either of them, we should get a 1. There you go, 1. Whee! On the other one, there you go, and both of them. There's our OR gate. And I know everybody's going wild now. Yay! Yeah. So we need to store this, don't we, Gary? You said save, yeah?
Menu, save.
And then, right, so we'll call it OR, yeah?
Yeah, call it OR and pick a colour.
Pick a colour. So we've got red, blue. We've got red, blue, green. Green. There we go. So that is now done. Oh, look, we've got OR, look. We've got an OR. Hey!
Menu, new.
Menu, new. Right, there we go. Now we've got an OR. So, next, what's the other gate that we use? What's the other gate that we use? Come on.
OR.
You what?
XOR.
XOR. So, let's try and see if we can work out the XOR. Now, Gary and I haven't researched this. So, let's see if we can do it blind. This is going to be fun. Right. So, we'll get rid of that, and get rid of that. So, our result is that. That's an XOR. If they're both the same, 0. If they're not the same, 1s. Yeah? They're both the same zeros. They're not the same ones. Right.
Yeah.
Oh.
Are you cheating and looking it up?
No, I'm not looking at Google.
Cheat. Cheat. Right. You learned them 42 years ago. Well, someone's asked me if we can, if we could do it. So we're doing it, and like I say, we're going to go into bigger things. Right. So an XOR gate. So we've got the OR, and we've got the AND, and we've got the NOT. Right. So what? How do we do this? How do we do this? Well, I mean, this one, this
right
one,
down the truth table.
yeah. I'm just looking. So when I was at school, I was always told to look at the ones. Yeah. So to make this a 1 would be not a. But to be honest, it's A or B. If we're going to start using the OR gate. Oh, shut up, Google. Excel, shut up. So this one would be same, A or B. Come on, John. Come on. You can do it. Excel's not that hard to master. Right, and then on the other two, we have to make sure they're going to be zeros. So, to make sure there's zero, so to make that a 0.
I am B.
No, but when they become what? When the ones, mate.
Yeah, they will, won't they?
Yeah, it becomes a 1. Yeah. So, ooh.
I know, it's A, X, or B.
Right. Well, this one will be not.
I'm thinking you might need another gate there first.
Not A or B. Would that be not? Would that be right?
What's a triangle?
What's a triangle?
Yeah, and your gates.
That's an XOR, isn't it?
Or is that a knot? No, circles are not, isn't it? A little circle.
No, no, a circle. Are you talking proper gate symbols? Yeah.
Diagram.
Yeah. A dot is an AND. An OR
No.
an OR is a circle. A dot is an AND. An OR is a circle. A NOT is a line above it, and an XOR is a circle with a plus in it. No, hang on. An OR is a plus. An OR is a plus. What am I thinking? Hang on. Yeah. A and not A and B. I mean that would work as well. So this one is not A and not B. Yeah? So these two are easy. These two are easy, yeah? But to be honest, let's do this. Not A and B. And then do A and not B. Right, so let's put these in. So not A and not B. So not A and not B. So that's going to be 1, 1. Oops. No. Not A and not B. That's 1, 1, 1. 0. So that's 1. That's 1. That's not right. This is not right. What's this one?
A not B.
Hang on. No, I'm 0 and 1 is 0. A not. I'm looking at the wrong columns. It's 1, 0, 0, 0. I'm looking at the wrong columns like a Wally. So that's not A and not B. Yeah, and then we've got not A and B, not A and B. Well, that's going to be annoying. Not A and B. So that's 1, 1, 1, 0. Yeah?
Yes.
A and B. So let's do that. Not A and B. So that's going to be 0, 1, 0, not A and B, 0. And then it's A and not B. Come on, John. Right, A and not B. So A and not B, 0. A and not B, 0. A and not B is 1. A and not B is 0. Right. Whoops. So. Still not right. That's not right. That is not right.
Well, what you've put down is right.
And they're not.
Yeah, this is wrong. I think this is just
A and B. You've just got a lot of information in there you don't need.
Yeah, I think that's just A and B. A and B is 0, 0, 0, 1. But to be honest,
no, you don't need that column at all.
Don't need that column at all. Right. This is what I was trying to work out, right? Because when I was at school, they let's put this back to what it was. So equals A and not B. Right. When I was at school, they all well, I read the notes, right, and I wanted to just confirm it. I read the notes, and it said only work on the ones that give you a 1. Yeah, that give you a true statement. Yeah? So in this particular instance, we only want to work on these two. Yeah? we only need to work out what gives them a 1. We don't give these because they don't bear any. They don't give us any benefit. Yeah. So 1. Yeah. So therefore, our equation is going to be R equals not A and... Oi, John,
Plus
pay
not
attention to chat.
No, A not B plus not A, B.
Wow. Got there before me. Right.
I was playing with all these when I was... Remember when I was building that computer thing?
Yeah.
Was it last year or the year before?
Whoa. Yeah. So, if we now go back to our simulator, we should be able to create an XOR gate using this. So, let's get in there. So, two inputs again. Yeah. So, we'll give it A and B. Yeah. Then
not A and not B is 1, not 0.
Say it again.
Not A and not B. Your first line in your truth table is not 0. It's 1.
Yeah, it's it. I know. Put a 1 in there. Not A and not
no,
B.
But your column V. Look at column V.
What happens is this.
Right, yeah.
I'm
Phase
trying to
101.
show it too slowly. So we have lots of combinations which are being...
I haven't got that column even here. 1, 2. I bet it's that one there. I bet it was that one. Not. Right, so not A and B. So 0, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0. Like that, yeah? Is that better? Hey, Phase. Right. So let's get this set up. So we need... Right, so we need knots. We need knots in there. Because we also need the inverse of the input. So we're going to take B, put it there. And we're going to take that and put it in there. So here we go. So we have 2 ands. We have 2 ands. So let's get the ands on there. 1 there. 1 there. So we've got not A, which is that one to there. And B. So let's grab B, put it there. And we have A and not B. Okay. And then with our newly created OR gate, you can tell I'm not working, can't you? We create ourselves, take the outputs of these and do that. And we'll call that EOR. Right then, so let's test this out. 2 zeros, we get a 0. Is that right or wrong? Two zeros, do we get a 0?
Yes, right.
It's alright, I've just noticed the maze is... You've gone off the maze again. Right, so 0 and 1 gives us a 1.
No, 0, 1 gives you a 0. 0 XOR 1 gives you a 1.
Yeah, 0. Okay. 0x. Oh, this is going to be a tough stream. Sorry, Face. I already saw about the software. You can get it from. Hang on. I've still got the website open. I think. Have I still got the website open? No, I ain't. I put it in the chat. Has it gone off the top of the chat now? Yeah, it's gone off the top of the chat. Hang on a sec. Digital simulator.
SP's got it.
Oh, all right. SP's put it in there. Tar.
I think your maze has crashed.
I bet it's not gone on the network again. There we go. I've just reset it again. Sometimes it doesn't connect to the Wi-Fi. There we go. There we go. Right. So 1 XOR 0 is 1, and then 1 XOR 1 is 0. So there we go. We have got our XOR gate. So let's save it. And we'll call it what we call it in the 6502. I'm not having this cheap nonsense. What colour should we give it this time? Is an XOR a cheerful colour or a cheerful gate or a horrible gate? Let's give it sunny. Let's give it yellow. There we go. That'll do. Now let's make it a bit brighter. Yep. Right. Save. There we go. So file new. What is the aim? The aim is to learn Boolean logic, mate. The aim is to learn Boolean logic. So we've got our 4 gates. We have our 4 gates to mess around with. But I'm telling you now, we're only going to be messing around with 3 of them. Yeah? We're only going to use the 3 gates. We're only going to use the 3 gates. Yeah? Because when it comes to simplification, right? You know, when you add XORs into it, it gets very complicated. So the way they taught us is only to use the 3 gates, not and or. Yeah. So that's what we're going to do. So Gary found an example. And I'll blame him if this doesn't work. I will blame him if it don't work. So everybody get ready to shout at him. Oh, you put the diagram in for an XOR. That's just cheating. That's just cheating.
I thought you were struggling a bit.
No, I wasn't struggling. I was trying to show that you don't concentrate on the zeros. Yeah? Because the zeros are like red herrings. They throw you off. Which it did. It threw me off because I was thinking it doesn't look right. But it was right. So Gary's got a thing. And we're going to try and replicate it using Boolean logic. We're not going to cheat like he did and got a picture. We're going to try and see if we can do it via the gates, right? So let's clear this all out. So we're only going to be using ands, nots, and ors. They're the only gates we're allowed to use. Yeah. And I don't think you guys are paying a blind bit of notice to me because you're too busy with the maze. Right, so we got 3 inputs. A, B, C. Right, let's get it done. 0, miss 1, 0, miss 1, 0, miss 1, 0. I think that's too many, but yeah, it's definitely too many. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. just working out the truth table for a 3-input system. I'm going to turn that maze off. I won't tell you. Are you enjoying this new game? Right. Now, the problem we want is we are going to create 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Right. So we're creating. So you got to imagine a LED thingy, an LED bar. Hang on. Whoops, I've just unpinned that. There we go. Let's see. Is it called an LED bar?
Bar graph or something like that. What? LED bar graph. And it's not showing the right.
There we go. There we go. There we go. So we're going to try and simulate this. Yeah? We're going to try and simulate this. Why does it keep going to... I want to buy something. I don't want to buy it. Anyway, we're going to try and replicate one of these. So when we put in 3 zeros, this light turns on. If we put 001, this light turns on. 010, this light turns on. 011, this light turns on. So we're going to try and create the Boolean to build this. Yeah? So blame Gary if this doesn't work.
It will work.
So I'm going to now convert this around like this. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So we're going to work out too many segments. So we're going to work
10-segment display.
Say again.
Go on, carry on.
All right.
Most of those devices are 10 segments, not 8.
Oh, are they? Semantics. I knew this was going to be...
I'm going to be awkward today.
Yeah, but a Sharpie do make some 8-bar displays.
Yeah. Anyway, we're going to try and work out what the Boolean logic is to make it all work. So we want the 0 pin. So basically, we're converting a 3 input into a byte. Yeah, but we're going to highlight whichever bit is going to be switched on. So for bit 0, the answer is, of course, it's going to be no takers?
First one.
I'll do it then. So it's going to be not A,
C,
and not B, and not C.
or not A and B and C. Go on, carry on. Carry on.
He's jumping ahead. Jumping ahead.
Sorry, I build massive things like this to decode inputs from 13 switches.
No, mate. No, I'm jesting, mate. I'm jesting.
No, go on.
I'm jesting. Right. This is all good. I can't remember where. Oh, there it is. Can't remember where I put that. Right, cut. Paste that there. There we go. Paste. There we go. Right.
You should have seen the board after I'd finished with it. When you'd got 13 inputs and I had to drive 10 LED outputs depending on different combinations.
Yeah.
And it was a mess of 8 input AND gates and God knows what.
Yes, FaZe. It isn't complete. You're there just testing to see if you can navigate the maze. There's no success code in there and reset code in there yet. The way to reset is I've got to turn it off and back on again. How many times have we learnt that, eh? Right, so... Oh, come on, John. Get a grip. Right, so the next one. This one. There we go. Next one. So this is going to be not A and B. Yeah. And C. Do you concur?
Yeah.
Yep. Right, okay. I'm just waiting for you guys to tell me what you want me to put in. So...
B and not AC for the next
not A.
one. No, not A, not C, plus B.
Yeah?
Isn't it?
Looks right. So this one would be not A and B and
B.
C. Oh, come on. Stop messing me about. Yeah? Right then. So next one. So 4 equals A and not B and not C. Oh, keep forgetting to put that in. Right. A and not B and C. If I go wrong, let me know. But I think this is right. A and B and not C. And this one is easiest one of all, which is A and B and C. So there's our eight things that we need to create. Right, let's do it. Get in there. I was just wondering if we could get away with some ores, but you can't. Can't get away with any ores in there. Let's say if we did ore on this one, A or B or C, that would fire that one up as well. So yeah, we can't use any ores in that yet. Do you concur?
Go on.
Right.
See if it works then.
Right, 1, 2, 3, and we're generating 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, so A, B, C, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I haven't doubled up on any of them.
Looks right to me.
I think I've doubled up on the. Yeah, I doubled up. So that's 2. I bet I've doubled up on here as well. Delete. Yeah, I've doubled up. Delete. Oh, I tripled up. 1.
Well, you started at 0.
No, I've put more than 1 on them. If I can't select them, that means I've got 2 on top of each other. On the very first ones, I doubled up. I put outputs together. There we go. Yeah. Right then. So, what do we need to do first? First thing we need to do.
First thing you need to do, John, is go back to your spreadsheet And I think it'd be less confusing if you take the brackets out of the solutions and do it direct.
Do it
Because it'll
direct.
make more sense when you convert them into gates on here.
Yeah.
So if you just do not A and not B and not C and not A and
Yeah.
B and And same on first one. Because it'll make more sense when you're dealing with gates then.
Yep. Right then. So we've got our 3 inputs. Now we need to create 3 more inputs. Yeah. And those inputs are the opposite of your inputs. Because we need to have the ability to do not. Yeah? So let's start with the first one. This one here. So we are doing 3 ands, I think. Yeah, 3 ands. Oh, this is going to get very messy, isn't it?
It's a tight squeeze on the screen.
I'll tell you what. Hang on, let's save this. We'll save this. What is this called anyway? What did you call this?
If you save it, I don't think you can get back into editing.
Can't you?
No. But if you just close the program, it'll come back up again next time you open it.
Oh, if we do quit, yeah?
Yeah. That'll come back up as it is when you reopen it.
No, well, it says it will be... To say it has unsaved changes. Okay.
I'm sure it will.
Alright. Load project. Stream what? No, it's gone.
You've just got you've still got all your gates though.
Yeah, you still got them. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to do this, right? We are going to create another AND gate. Yeah. But this time we're going to have 3... We're going to have 3 inputs. Yeah. So this is going to be A. This is going to be B. And this is going to be C. And we're going to have 1 output. Oh, I don't know why I'm lining all this up. Right. Because we need to AND. We've got, if you think about it, we've got 3 inputs, yeah? So I was just thinking we can try and make this a little bit cleaner if we can. How many ANDs have we got? We just got the 1 out. Oh, we got 2. Aren't we? Oh, but yeah, we can do it. We can do it. So here we go. So we're going to create a 3 input AND gate. Yeah, we're going to create a 3 input AND gate. Right, so 1, no, no, no. 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 Yes, that'll do. Right. Menu. Save. And was blue, wasn't it? Somewhere around there. Right. So now let's do the 3 inputs again. 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. 0. Let's do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a bit annoying if you can't modify them, if you save them.
Yeah, I know. I found that. Unless I missed something when I was playing with it.
It's a bit annoying that you can't. Can we?
Unless it's not in one of them. It's not in library or options, is it?
Oh, look. Edit. Edit.
Ah, that one. That must be a new option in it.
Right,
I'm
okay.
sure that was there before.
Right. So, we are going to use the three... Right, first we need to create our not variants as well. So, let's create our not variants. So, A becomes not A. B becomes not B. And C becomes not C. Right? So, we've got our three variants that are not in line and my... Yeah, there we go. So, our first one up here. Right, three and. Here we go. So our first one, three and. So to get 0, it was not A, not B, not C. So let's do this. So not A, not B, not C. There you go. They're all off. That's on. Yay! First one. We're a winner. Round of applause. Hey!
Click in the middle of the line. You can drag the lines about. Bend them and...
Can we?
Yeah.
Ooh. No!
Oh, that one. Is it the other click?
I can't.
No,
No.
join them two together.
Let me.
Quick, undo.
Is there an undo?
Yeah, is it on your
Oh,
right click?
here we go. Delete.
Right click and drag, is it then? Move.
No. Won't let me do it.
You can do somehow.
Oh.
Or is it just when you draw the line in the first place?
Okay, hang on. Let's try it. Let's try it. Delete. Right, draw the line in the first place. So, there we go.
Yes.
That's probably what you mean, isn't it?
I thought you could actually move them about once you've drawn them.
There we go. That's 0. Okay. So, right, let's get the others in there before I destroy this. Right. Let's do that one. Let's do that one. That one. I'll line them up in a minute. That one. Whoops. That one. That one. Right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. Right, here we go. So let's get them all lined up with their respective partners. Right, here we go. So, element 1 is not A. Right, so grab this. We'll do that to there. Not A, not B. And C. So C. We'll do that like so. There you go. That's not switched on. So if we turn that off. Oh, C is our low byte. There we go. C is our low byte. Nice. Nice. Right, next one. Next one. What's the next one? Not A, B. Not A. Right, not A.
You're not going to be able to see these wires in a minute.
Yeah. B. Well, I'm trying to keep them sort of lined up. And not C. I know we're going to get crossovers. Yeah. Next one. What's the next one?
Colour of the wires coming from each one.
Say again.
You could change the wire colour, I think, can't you?
Yeah, we'll
Like you could have all the wires coming from A.
Yeah. We've only got 1, 2, 3, 5 colours though. Right, what's...
We've only got three wires.
Yeah. No, we got 6 in essence, haven't we? Because we got the knots.
Right, yeah, you've got the knots, but they change colour themselves.
Yeah. Alright then, let's do yellow for C.
Anything that comes off C could be yellow, couldn't it?
Yeah. Green for B. Like so. Yeah, that'll do. Right then. Next one. This one. Which is 3. 3 is not A, B and C. Right, not A. Oh, that's going to be straight there. B. And C. So C's yellow, B's green. Yep, that's not on. What's the next one? 4. A, not B, not C. Right, A. Oh, the very first A. Yoo-hoo. So we'll do that. A, not B, not B, not C. Yellow, green. Right, what's next? So that's 4. 5 is A, not B and C. Right. So A, not B and C. Make that yellow, make that green.
C, not C.
Oh, right. Okay, my bad.
No, that's what you said. I can't see a logic chart and I can't remember it off the back of my head.
Yeah, A, not B, C. Yeah, you was right. You was right. 6 is A, B, and not C. Right, so 6 is A, B, and not C. Right, yellow, green. And last but not least is A, B, C. Right, so A, we'll do that straight there. B, we'll go up there and then down. And then C, we'll do that. This better work after all this. Oh, blame. Right. So what is this thing? What is this thing called?
It's
74LS138.
that's the one I was thinking of.
74.
LS138 is the device you would buy on us, but they're hard to get hold of nowadays.
It's the 3 to 8 decoder.
Yeah, 3 to 8, 3 line to 8 line decoder. Oh,
All
yeah.
right. 3, 2, 8, 8, 8 decoder. I know I get there eventually.
Yeah.
Right.
And your next one's going to be a 7-segment decoder, is it?
7-segment decoder. Right, here we go. Okay, so
They're the ones that are really hard to get hold of, Gary. I ended up just using pig chips to do it. It's easier and cheaper.
Yeah.
so here we go. So C is our low bit, A is our high bit, yeah? So if we go 1, that's, there we go, number 1's lit up. If we do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woohoo! Woohoo! Now that is a lot. That is a lot. That is a lot of Boolean logic just to control each one of these. Yeah, a lot.
Look at it, it's not much at all.
I know. Now, what's next, you ask? Well, the answer is that.
Apparently Gary wants a it is a 7-segment decoder. Nice.
Right? So, what we're going to try and do is we're going to try and convert an a hexadecimal number into an 8-bit or 8-segment LED. Now, the problem is we need to learn something else to do this. But we're not going to do that yet until we've worked out the logic for all this. So this is going to be the homework, right? So we're going to do
Hasta la vista, baby. Your foster parents are dead.
What? Did you guys hear that? No.
I didn't hear it.
Right. That's because OBS is turned down. Hang on.
I was definitely closed as well.
Right. Let me just replay that and tell me if you can hear it this time.
Hasta la vista, baby. Your foster parents are dead.
Did you hear it that time?
Only just.
Did the guys on stream hear it last time, or did you hear it the first time?
Both times.
Both? Oh, right, okay. Because when I was watching the stream back, it sounded like you couldn't hear it. There we go. Alright then. I'll leave it there. Because the mic was picking it up as well, so it sounded like it was echoing. Right. So what we're going to try and do, is we're going to work through. So we're just going to concentrate on segment 1. Yeah? This one here, segment 1. And for each of the numbers, we're going to say whether it's 1 or 0, whether it's on or off. So for 0, it's on. For 1, is it on or off?
Off.
Yeah. For 2, is it on or off?
On.
3?
On.
4?
Off.
5?
On.
6?
On.
7?
On.
8?
On.
9?
On.
A?
On. On.
B? B?
On for all the letters.
No, it's not on. C is?
Oh, yeah, it is. I was thinking capital B.
D's not.
In it.
Capital B's an 8.
Yeah, capital B's an 8, mate. You can't do that. E's on and F's on, yeah?
The 6 segment 1 is not necessarily on, it depends.
Yeah, you get a choice.
What?
On 6. Turn it off. No, because that's B.
Nah.
No, you had it on for 6.
Nah. Nah.
No, you do want it on for 6.
Because that becomes a B.
Yeah.
Yeah? Right, so now we have to work out the logic to make that on, yeah? So we're going through the same thing as we've done before. Right, let me do this. I'm getting a bit... I want to do this because we're going to learn something, yeah? Maybe Saucy knows about this, but we'll see. Right. So, for this one, it's not A and not B and not C and not D. Agreed? To make this one, what do we need to do to this? Yeah? Agreed?
Yes.
Right. So we're only concentrating.
It's bugging me that your ABCD are that way round. Really? Don't change it because that's what you're based on. Yeah.
Okay, mate. Okay.
Oh, no, that's on me.
We will.
I don't want you to change it if you know where you are with everything.
Nice. It's fine, mate. It's fine, mate. I understand where your OCD's going mental. Because it is it's bit 0 to 7 that way, yeah? So I understand.
Yeah.
So
it was like, I want A to change. No, why is A not changing?
Right.
No, your logic's still the same.
Yeah. So we're only concentrating on the ones that actually result in a 1, because we already saw from the previous example, if we try to resolve the zeros, we end up in a mess, yeah? So you only resolve the ones that are 1. So this one is not D and not C and B and not A. Yeah. This one is not D and not C and B and A. Is everybody still with me? If anybody wants to say whoa, let me know, right? Because
No, I'm with you. I can see just where you're coming from.
Right.
Right.
So 5.
I'll not tell you the
5 is going to be not D and C and not B and A. Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, 6 is going to be not A and C and B and not A. Oh, that's wrong.
Start with not D.
D. That's it. Right then. 6. Are we on 6? No, we've done 6. We're on 7 now, aren't we? Right, 7 is not D and C and B and A. Still with me? Right, so we're now on D and not C and not B and not A. God, the brain's having a work today. I'm glad I wasn't working on the book. Right. D and not C and not B and A. Right. Come on then, John, keep going. Right. D and not C and B and not A. Yeah? Here we go. D and C and not B and not A. That's not a 1. That's a 1. Oh, God, this is going to be a massive expression. Right. So, D and C and B and not A. And then this one is D and C and B and A. Everybody with me? Yeah?
Yep.
Happy? Right, here we go. For segment 1, the expression equals this. So you copy this. Right? And then you go, or this. Oh, this is going to be annoying, isn't it? I'll tell you what. Let's
Here's one I made earlier.
Now, let's change it. I'm going to change it. I'm going to get rid of the equal sign. Yeah. I'm going to get Excel to work it out for me. Yeah. Let's do it properly, because we'll need to do it for all the segments, yeah? So, let's do this.
Can you not just bang a truth table into Excel and it works out anyway? Or is it not clever enough?
I have no idea, mate. Never tried it. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to have some if statements, yeah? So if I was going to do some ifs, but I can't, can I? Rats. So equals that. This is going to get messy. That, but it's better to do it this way. That plus and already I need to do a bit of spacing. Right, plus that plus that plus I think you'll be starting to get the situation in a minute. Oops. Let's hope Excel doesn't break on me while I'm doing this. Will not be happy. Right, one more. Value. What do you mean value? What's wrong with it? Oh, hang on. I think it's ampersand to concatenate, isn't it, in Excel? That's why it was going value. Just trying to add them up, but you can't. Whoops. There we go. There we go. One Boolean statement. Now, to make this work, you have to OR all of these together. All of them. Hence why we've put the vertical line. That means OR, yeah? But it's a massive, massive logic system. Yeah? Massive logic system. And there is a way, and they taught us at school at this, and maybe Saucy will probably know what I'm about to say now, is there's a Boolean simplification method called K-maps. I'm trying to think of what the actual name is. I just know it as a K-map. Hang on. How do you say that word?
Karnaugh map.
Karnaugh, yeah.
Karnaugh map.
Karnaugh map, yeah.
I think it's a proper pronunciation. I know what you mean, yeah.
Yeah. So it's known as a Karnaugh map. Karnaugh map. Yeah, or K-map for short, yeah? And what it does, it allows you to simplify a massive Boolean expression into a simple one, yeah? So if you've never heard of these are really fascinating, yeah? So the way you do it is you build a little matrix up, yeah? And then you put everything on the matrix. So here we go, right? So I'm going to do some of my dodgy, but then again, I might just do it in here. Can I build an... Here we go. I need an 8. I need a 4x4. 4x4. Right, so 4x4. Will that... Bit bigger, please. Not too big. Idiot. Wow. There we go. That'll do. So 4x4. There. So we're going to... I'm just going to format it so you can see the lines. In fact, I'm going to make it bigger. Hang on. Oh, John. Whoop it. Right, and then I'm going to do 4 lines here and make them bigger. There we go. Right. This is the 4x4. Where's the lines? Lines. Where's lines? Here. Right, let's do some thick lines. Thick lines. Voyeur. Thick lines.
I hate how they've moved everything around in Excel.
Yeah. Right, here we go. So there's our K-map, yeah? So what you need to do, you need to label the map, right? You need to say that this column is this, yeah? So what we're going to do is we're going to start with A and B, yeah? Yeah, A and B. So we're going to start and we're going to have this column be A, this column be B. So we're going to start with A. So A, not A, not A. I think that's that. Right, I'm just going to boost the font on this so you guys can see. That may be a bit too big. Let's try that. There we go. And we'll central it. Right, so 36. 36 and centralize. Right, 36. And centralize. And we'll do the same here. So 36. And we'll centralize. Right. So B. Now B is a different arrangement, yeah? So I'm just thinking, sources. Should I swap them over? Yeah. A, B, 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 not B, B, not B. That will be similar to the truth table, won't it? That's similar to the truth table. Yeah.
Yeah. That is now, yeah.
Yeah. So I was... right. C. Yeah, so C will be here. And then D will be, oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, D, not D.
No, that works.
Not D. D. Hang on, let me just check my notes. Yeah, that's right. So this is the way you've got to arrange it, yeah? This is the way... In fact, that's not right. I thought something was looking odd. I think this is not going to work, mate. I think we're going to have to do this. We're going to have to keep it in line. Got to keep it.
That's why I said not to swap A, B, C, and D round, because I thought you'd have got in your head where you were going later.
Yeah, yeah. I'm going to swap it back round. Yeah, that's it. That's how it is. Right. So what I'm going to do is, just to make life a little bit easier, I'm going to reconstitute this. So for you guys to, hopefully this will make sense when I do this, right? So we'll grab that, copy that, paste that there. Grab that. And then grab that. Oh, div. Right. All right. So what this map is showing is this column here. This, or I should say, this row here means A, or it means B. Yeah, this one means A, but on this side it means not B, not A, not B. Yeah, and that, like that. Oh, all right, Fairlane. See you later. All right, and what you do, right? So let me do this. Let's do this like that. So what you do is you put in a 1. You put in a 1 that matches this. Right? So if I copy this, and I'm going to paste it in here so we can see it. Oh, hang on. Paste as text. There we go. Let's paste it there. Oh, it's still too big. Yeah, it's still too big. Let me paste it down here at the bottom. Oh, rats.
Boost the font up on it a little bit if you can.
Alright then, I'll put it there then. That do? Yeah, can you see that?
Just about, yeah.
Well, it's long, mate.
It'll have to do.
But I mean, to be honest, I could do this as well. I could do this as well. Oh.
No, you couldn't.
No, I couldn't. Spaces are stuffing me up. Oh well. Right. So what you do is, with our expressions now, for every cluster, these are clusters. So anything between an or is a cluster. Yeah. For every cluster represents 1. And what you do is you mark on the map where this goes. Right. So let's do this. So not D. So we're on this line here. Not D. Not C. So we're going to be on this line because not D and not C are on this line, yeah? Then not B, that's here. And not A is here. So this is the one we are going to tag. There. That is this expression is that there. Do you agree, Saucy? Have I got it right? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, the next one is not D. So it's one of these two. We look at the next one, not C. Right, that's this line here. Then B. Oh, right, so it's either this one or this one. And then not A. That's this one. That is the one that satisfies all 4. And then we carry on. Not D. Not C. That's this line. B. And A. Right, that's up here. That's that one there. Then next one. Not D. This time it's C. So we're in this column. Then not B. That's either one of these two. A. That's that one there. So this one here. So not D. C. That's this line. B. So it's either this one or this one. And not A. So it's this one down here. Right. Then this one. Not D. One of these two. C, that's this one. B, that's this one. And A, that's up here. Alright, and we slowly fill it in. That was that one, wasn't it? Now this one. D, not C, not B, not A. So D, not C, not B, not A. That's that one there. This one is D, not C, that's this line. Not B, A. That's that one there. This one is D, not C. D, not C. B, not A. That's that one there. And this one is D, DC, not B, not A. That's that one there. And then DC, B, not A. That's that one there. And last but not least is D, C, B, that one there. Wow. Wow. That looks right, doesn't it? Right. Once you've built your map, right, so I'm using snippet tool now. Once you build your map, you then cluster. And what you do is you're trying to eliminate flags. So if you've got a not A and an A together, you eliminate it, right? That's eliminated, right? So as you can see here, we have got D and not D. So we can eliminate. And what you do, you just put that around it, right? Because that becomes then not A. C is taken up. So it's not A and B. Do you agree, Saucy? That's not A and B, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can distracted elsewhere. I'm not looking.
Yeah, that's all right. And you can do them in 2s and 4s. Yeah. So you can do 2s and 4s. So this one becomes a group because we are eliminating B and not B. Yeah. This becomes a group because this one is eliminating B and D. This one is a group here. This one is a group because we're eliminating C out of that one. Yeah, can do that. Gets rid of D, doesn't it? Gets rid of D. And then we've got one here. And what you try and do, you try and make the smallest number of groups. That's what you try and do. So that gets rid of those. I was just wondering if I should just make, but it's still. That's it. So we end up with. Why have you popped up? Go away. So we end up with something like this. Oh, come on, John. Try and stay on. Let's do this. Let's move that there. Let's move it over. See if we can get some space here.
One screen of real estate's not enough, is it?
No, not really. What's that? That's 18. Right, so I'll put this to 18. Hopefully we will get it to work. So basically, we'll start at this 4, yeah? So basically we're eliminating D and we're eliminating C. So this becomes not A and B. Then we OR it with the next one. So let's do this one. So this becomes C. So it's not A and C and D. Yeah. Not A and C and D. OR it with this one here, this 4. So that's going to be not A and not C. Next one. This one here, we'll do this one. So this is not B, not C, D. Not B and not C and D. Then we've got this one. So that's A and B and not D. So A and B and not D. So that was this 2 here. Then we're going to do this 2 here. So this is going to be A and C and not D. So A and C and not D. And then the final one, I think, was this one here, which is going to be A and C, A and B and C. That's it. A and B and C. That's all of it covered in its Saucy.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got 7 elements, yeah.
So using this method, we have taken a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A 12 Boolean expression, and we've simplified it down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we've simplified it. I don't think we could simplify it anymore. I'm just looking. I don't think I could simplify it anymore. Even if I didn't do these outliers, there's still one expression, isn't it? Yes, and this is just one segment. This is just one segment, yeah, of the LED display. So, if you want me to do another one, I can do another one. But this is going to be the homework, right? This is going to be the homework where you have to work out each one. So we've just done one, right? So, do you understand? Do you understand it? I can go through another one if you want. I'll go through another one. We've got time. So let me just put these back to white. Right. So this is segment 1. So let's copy that. And we'll put it in segment 1 there. In fact, we'll do this. Seg 1 is that. Oops. Oh, why didn't it paste? Copy. Paste as text. There we go. So that's segment 1. So that's the Boolean expression just to do segment 1. Right. Here we go. Is Docster on? Did Docster come in? Have I missed Docster? Oh, sorry, mate. Sorry, mate. I was concentrating so much I didn't even see you come in.
I didn't see him come in either.
No.
I don't know.
Right. So
Ago.
let's start working his way down the segment. So segment 2, which is this one, yeah. Segment 2, which is this one. For 0, it's a 1, yeah. For 1, it's going to be a 0. For 2, that's gonna be a 0.
Which?
This one. This is segment 2, mate. Here, this one.
Which side are you looking at?
The.
Oh, you're going round backwards.
Say again.
You're going round backwards.
No, I'm not. I'm going round the white way.
No, because if you get them on the boards, they go round anti-clockwise.
No.
Clockwise, sorry.
This is how you read. This is how you read it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No. You go round 1 at the top, 2 on the right top, 3 on the right bottom, 4 on the bottom,
Okay.
5 on the left bottom.
Hang on. Okay, hang on. So 2's there, yeah?
Yeah, go all the way around the outside clockwise.
3,
And then your last one's the middle one.
4, 5, 6, 7.
And 8 in the middle.
Where's your full stop? Decimal
Benign.
It's only a 7 segment. So where's 8 come into it?
It's
You
full
can have a
stop.
You can have a decimal point on them. But you just deal with 7 segments, forget it.
Confusing. Shut up.
It doesn't change your logic in any way, you just pick a different point.
That'd mean he'd have to redo his logic then. But he's just done.
Yeah, he would. No, it's alright, carry on, John.
No.
It's a 7 segment display, not a 7 segment with decimal point.
Right. Okay. 2. 2. Right. For 0 is 1. For 1 is 1. For 2 is 1. For 3 is 1. For 4 is 1. For 5 is 1. 6 is a 0. Yay! 7 is a 1. 8's 1. 9's 1. 8's 1. 0. 0.
It would be 0 for 5.
I was just looking at what I'd got. I've got 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. Is that right?
B B doesn't have that too high.
B. D is a 1.
Yeah, D's a 1. E's a 0 and F's a 0. Yeah, B's not a 1, mate.
B.
Yeah, B's not a 1.
I'll change it on mine then.
Right, segment.
What is it? No.
Segment
I've got it
3.
wrong.
Segment 3. Right, 0, yes. 1, yes. 2, no. 3, yes. 4, yes. 5, yes. 6, yes. 7, yes. 8, yes. 9, yes. A, yes. B, yes. C, no. D, yes. E and F is 0. Yeah? One, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Well, C.
Yeah, on 3, yeah.
3. So, yes, yes, no, yes, 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 no, yes, no, no.
Yeah, that's what I got. Right, 4 is at the bottom, so 1 is off, 0 is on, 1 is off, 2 is on, 3 is on, 4 is off, 5 is on, 6 is on, 7 is off, 8 is on, 9 is on, A is off, B is on, C is on, D is on, E is on, F is off. So that's what I get for 4.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 5 is on for 0, off for 1. 1 is on for 2, not for 3. On for 4, not for 5. On for 6, not for 7. On for 8, not for 9. On for A. On for B. On for C. On for D. On for E. And on for F.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, Jam Jam, welcome. You missed the first part. Can you? Why are we doing this? Because somebody asked me how Boolean logic works. So it's what we're doing. We are working with Boolean logic. How we can make stuff just purely using Boolean logic. So those little black chips that you get in computers, this is what it does. So I'm doing it because I was asked, and I thought it might be entertaining trying to figure it out and getting the brain cells working. Right, so element 6. 0 is on. 0 is on. 1 is 0. 2 is 0. 3 is 0. 4 is on.
5's on.
5's on. 6 is off. 7 is off. 8 is on.
6 is on.
Is 6 on?
Yeah. Top left.
Oh yeah. Okay, thank you. 7 is off. 8
They're
is
all
on.
on from 8 onwards.
9 is on. No, B's not on. Oh yes it is. B. C is on. D is not.
Cheers.
No, it's not.
Oh no, it's not capital, is it?
No, we're not doing capitals, mate.
B.
So D is off. E is on and F is on, yeah?
Yeah, it's alright, I've got capital letters on my diagram I've drawn. That's what I thought.
Are you doing E as a capital E or a lowercase e? I'm guessing a capital from what you've got so far.
Yeah. I've changed the letters, look, to more replicate what's going to be on the LED, yeah? Might make it easier to understand than using the capitals. Right, so middle section, which is 7. So 0 is off, 1 is off, 2 is on, 3 is on, 4 is on, 5 is on, 6 is on, 7 is off, 8 is on, 9 is on, A is on, B's on, C's off, D's on, E and F.
Looks good to me.
Oh my god. Right. So, should we have a crack at another one? Should we do segment 2?
Go on then.
I'm just wondering if I can put an if statement in here to try and... yeah, let me put an if statement, mate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as the result, yeah? So this is what we're trying to achieve. That is what we're trying to achieve. So let me just do an if statement to make life a bit easier for us, yeah? So here, so we're going to go if, open bracket. Right. If that is equal to 1, then that ampersand that. Oh, come on, Excel, get a grip. It is not that hard. Sod it. You're going up there. That. Else, if it's a 0, we want nothing. Right. Ampersand. 03. B3. 4. 4. 5. 5. Oh, cobblers. I've missed a bracket, Anna. Hang on. I need to copy all of that. There we go. Right.
Can you post this Excel spreadsheet after the stream, John?
Yeah, I can do that. I can do that. I'm just trying to make it easier for us.
Yeah, I was just thinking it'd be something just to look at the formulas properly.
Yeah. Right.
If you get it.
5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. Ooh. 9. 9. Getting a bit lost. 10. 10. 11. 11. 12. 12. I'm up to 17, aren't I? 13. 13. Talk amongst yourselves. Oh, you're joking. Undo. Thank God for that. Right, so 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16.
I bet you couldn't do this on the Commodore 64 spreadsheet, could you?
17. I wouldn't want to attempt it, mate. I would not want to attempt it. Right.
If you could, it'd take months to calculate it.
Yeah, right. Oh, what is wrong? What is wrong with that? Oh, if. I forgot the ifs, boys and girls.
So what have you done there then?
I've just done an if statement that's testing for 1. And then it builds, then takes the corresponding row that we've developed and puts it in the string. That's what I'm doing. So let me just put the ifs in. I forgot the if. That's an if there. Keep going, John, keep going. If right, so if I do this, there we go. Works, it does it for us, it concatenates it for us, it doesn't work it out for us. But we can work it out here. We could put a formula that works everything out. Ooh. Ooh, should we try that?
Well, you can give us a lesson in Excel.
Oh, let's do that. Let's do that. Right, so equals. Right, if this is equal to 1, then we need to do the working out. Right, so, oh, shut up. There you are, you're happy now. Right, so if it's equal to 1, then we need to check these. So if that is equal to 0, then we'd output not A. Else we output A. That works. That works. That works. Right, so let's see. Can I make this a bit Oh, well, it does work. Look, not A. Yay! Right. I'm going to put the ampersands in just to make life a little bit easier. Right. So let's do the next one. So got to make sure I've got to capture the brackets, which I am. Right. So concatenate B, B, C, C. And this time it's going to be B and B. And then concatenate again. And this time it's going to be D. D, 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 D. Just getting slightly confused because D is C. And then ampersand again for concatenating. And then that. So this should be E. And this is now A. And I've just realised I've gone wrong. This is B. This is C. And this is D. Right. Fingers crossed, boys and girls. Was that our first one? Was that our first one? Oh, I got rid of it, didn't I? Deleted it. Oh, that works. Right, here we go. Ready? Get in there! Get in there! Get in there! Right. Right. Let me just save this. Save. Where am I putting it? Where am I putting it? Streams. Source code. Let's put it in here. Right. Folder. Boolean. Seven segment. Right. Right then. So it's just a case now of copying this and pasting it there. Oh, get in there. Get in
you
there.
just copy the formulas and paste it over the top of each of them columns.
Yeah, and now this is now the Boolean logic. So this is now the Boolean logic for segment 2. How about that, boys and girls?
Watch this, she's going to write another formula now to split it down even more.
Well, I mean, we don't need to split it down because we're going. Basically, we have to transpose it onto here, yeah. But what I was
why don't the Excel do that for you?
Well, what I was thinking was this. Hang on, mate. Let me insert. Because Excel doesn't allow you to have different row heights. And I've made this big so you guys can see it, yeah? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I need 3 more. There we go. So what we can do is... Oh, it's going to be difficult to try and keep this on the screen. Hang on. I may have to...
Minimise the ribbon.
Minimise the ribbon?
Yeah.
Oh, get in there. Well spotted, mate. Well spotted. It's still... What I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the size of these blocks. Hang on. Just going to reduce the size of these blocks to... hang on. This one, isn't it? It's that one. We'll make them 70. Yeah. And then I'll reduce these as well to 70 as well. You still see that, yeah?
Yeah, that's plenty big enough.
Right. So what I'm going to do is going to grab this here, yeah? Copy. And... Well, no, not even going to do that. Let's do this. So, equals that. There we go. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Have I got them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 1 short. 1 short. So, let's do that again. So I'm going to start from there. Yeah. Start from there. Equals that. And then do that. That's better. That's better. That's better. And then we will go equals that, and that brings the full whack one in. How do we make the pie solve the maze? Oh, I don't know. Oh, you're blaming Gary for this. No, it's not Gary. Right. So we're going to take these individuals, yeah, and we're going to put them on here, and then we will work them out.
Culprit in the stream.
Say again.
Is the culprit in the stream?
I have no idea. I've not seen them yet, so I don't know. Maybe it's one of these guys that watches the VODs. Right then. So the first one is not D, not C, not B, A. Oh, I need the ribbon. How do I get the ribbon back?
Where's the bottom? Where was the bottom?
It was up here, but it's gone.
I thought it was a little arrow at the end.
There we
Went
go.
up.
There we go. That's it. I want the colour. Oh, no, not that colour. Right. So, not D, right? Not D. Yeah. Not C, which is on this side. Not B. Not A. That's that one there. Right, let's set the colour. There we go. Next one is not D, not C. That's this line. Not B, A. Not D, not C, not B, A. That's that one there. Not D. It's these two. Not C. So it's this one. B. Not A. Yeah, that's that one I'm on. Not D, not C. B. A. That's that one. Oh, you won't. You won't flood the chat solving the mates. You're fine, mate. You're fine, mate. You're fine, mate. It's
Go for it. Nobody else has been.
we tested it.
It'll only show up on the chat on the Twitch. It won't show up on the stream chat.
No, it won't show up on the stream chat. Right, so we've done 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're on the 5th one there. So not D, C. So we're in this area. Not B, not A. So that's that one there. Then this one is not D, C, B, A. So that's that one there.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Hello. Who's followed? Say hello. We don't bite. We don't bite. Helpful data point. Hello. Welcome. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got to there. So we're now there. So D, not C. So it's this side. Not B, not A. So that's that point there. Then we're on D, not C, not B, A. That's that one there. And that one is D, not C, B, not A. So that's that point there. And then this one is D, C. That's this one. Not B, so there's there. A, so that's that one there. Right, so we'll do the same again. So we'll grab snippet tool. And we'll do a quick grab. Right, so again, same thing again. Clusters of 4s and 2s. Yeah? Clusters of 4s of 2. So we've got a cluster of 4 here that we can do. We have a 2 here. We have a 2 here. A 2 here. A 2 here. Saucy, do we need to do the others if we've matched them all?
No.
That's covered them all, isn't it? Because we wouldn't need to do this one.
Yeah, minimum number you need to cover all the squares.
Yeah, that's it. So as soon as you've covered all the squares, you're sorted. Yeah? I forgot about crossing the boundary as well. What I mean by crossing the boundary is this. What I mean by crossing the boundary is this. So we'll do yellow. Right? So, like here, right? Like here, we have... If you had if that was an isolated square on its own, and you couldn't make a twosome out of it, if this one was here, then you could do this. You could do that. Yeah? But because we haven't got, and I don't think I can undo. Never mind.
Control and Z.
Let's try it. Nah. What's the rubber?
No, rubber's like an eraser, just wipes out.
Oh, it's just wiped out. Oh, never mind. Right, get rid of the yellow. Get rid of... what? Come on, get rid of...
We just got rid of that magenta one.
Yeah, I know. Why won't it get rid of the yellow?
Should do if you click on the yellow.
Cool, that rubber tool is a bit annoying, isn't it?
It's fiddly. It's not paint.
It's not, yeah, it's definitely not paint. Right, let's put that 2 back in. So let's put this 2 back in. Alright?
But yeah, you can wrap round the edges if you need to get an oddball square.
Yeah, if we get an odd one, we'll do it.
If A, in the first column, if that A was on its own and the one to the right of it wasn't filled in, you could wrap round to not B side.
Yeah, that's this one, yeah. Right, so we need to now convert this into simplified. Yeah, so let's do it again. Right, so here we go. So let's start at the top and work his way down, shall we? So that is A and B and not D. Right, now we're going to be doing this one here. So that's going to be A and not B and C. Are you understanding how I'm working these out? This one here, because it crosses D and not D, it cancels out. So because we're on the A row and the not B row, that means it's A and not B, and because it doesn't cross over into the C and C. Yeah, that's how I'm working this out. So the next one, we'll do this one here. So it's going to be A and not B. So A and not B and D. No, it's not A, is it? It's not A because we cancelled A out. So it's not B and not C and D.
I'm just going to say that, but the trouble is, your drawing is about 10 seconds behind what you're saying.
Yeah.
That's what's confusing me, because I'm not quite keeping up with the thing. I'll have to re-watch this.
All right, then. So we're doing the 2 in the middle. So because it's on the same line as not A, so not A and not B, but it's crossing over on the C, so there's no C, but it's not on the D, so it's now not D. Yeah? And then the final one is the big 4, the big 4 here. So because we are crossing over the B's, it's not, but we're still not A, and B's cancelled out because we cross over between B and not B. Not C, because we don't cancel that out, but D is cancelled out because we go across not D and D. So we have just simplified this.
Why is not C not cancelled out then?
On the big one.
Oh no, yeah, it's alright. It's alright. It's not C at the top, isn't it, both
Yeah,
of them?
it's not C at the top, yeah. So we have just so this is segment 2. We have converted copy paste as numbers. We have just converted this long string, this long Boolean expression to make the segment 2 come on into this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 expression instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 expression. So we've simplified it even more. Right, should we do segment 3? Right, we'll do segment 3, and then you guys can tell me what I need to do. Yeah? There we go. So we've put segment 3 in. This is segment 3. Right, let's clear this out. Right, tell me where I need to go for the first expression. So, say first row, third column or something like that, yeah? So the very first expression, this one here, on this line, tell me where I need to put the red dot.
I would try and have a go, but I just can't read it. Excuses.
Hang on, mate. Hang on. Let me help you out here. Right, I've put it into the Discord. There you go. Can you see it now?
Oh god, now I've got to swap pages now.
Well, use your phone. Just look on it on your phone, yeah?
Hey. Audio over. Right, so you've got not D and not C. Not B, not A. Not. So it's not everything then, isn't it, for that one?
Yeah, so
you want to be in bottom right of the centre 4, is it?
So you're saying there.
Yeah, is it?
That is correct. All right then, Einstein. What's the next one?
Not D, not C, not B, and A.
Come on, everybody, have a go.
Not D, not C, not B. The one above it.
Correct. SP's beating you, mate. You're going to have to be quicker. Right. The third one.
Fourth one goes to the left of the first one.
The fourth one. Oh, you jumped ahead, have you?
First one.
The third one.
First one.
Yeah.
Left of the first one we put in. For the
Right.
fourth.
So the fourth one, yeah, you're doing the fourth one, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, because we was on the third one. That's what confused me, right? So the fourth one, okay.
Yeah, well, I see it got red. That was all.
Yeah.
The third one.
So the fourth one you say is to the right
Left.
of the left of the first one.
Yeah.
So not B, C, not B, not A. Yes, you're right. Next one.
I was trying to get one step in front of SP.
Right, next one. So we're on the fifth.
You sunk my battleship.
That's what it feels like, doesn't it?
D.
Bingo.
Not D, C, not B, A. Yeah. You got there?
Which one you looking for?
We're doing 5. We're doing expression 5.
5. Let me have a look.
Don't look at chat because SP's done it, yeah? See if you...
Oh, let him put it in then.
All right.
I've got the next. I've got the next one.
All right.
We'll work on the next one.
What's 6 then?
The very bottom of the row you've just put in.
So not D, C, B, not A. Exactly. That's right. Next one. Are you understanding how this is working? Are you understanding how this works now?
Yeah, we've got that bit sorted.
All right. Right.
That's making sense.
Yeah.
I can plot them points easy enough.
All right then.
And then we come to the simplification.
Then we come to the simplification. So
Then we get confused.
well, this is why I'm getting you guys to do this one, yeah? Because if it goes wrong, then at least I can say, are you sure, yeah? So we're on expression number 7. 1, 2, 3.
Is that the one he's just done?
7. So not D, C, B, A. So H19, yeah? Right, expression number 8.
Hey? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Cool. How many brain cells have
one
we?
up.
Say again, mate.
Right hand side, second one up.
Right hand side, second one up. This one?
Same one as SP said, yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm not looking at chat. I'm trying to avoid looking at chat. Yeah. Okay.
No, I'm not looking. I'm not either.
So we're looking.
Just confirming.
Yeah, I just confirm it. Right. So number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In fact, I'm going to start colouring these just to. There we go. So we're on that one there.
One above it. Right hand side, second one down.
Yeah. Right. This one's next.
bottom centre right.
Yep. Next one.
Hang on. You just put that in the wrong one.
No, that's all right. Then.
Hang on. D, not C.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it is right.
B,
Sorry.
not A. Yeah, it's that one, mate.
Yeah. So I thought it was not B.
So next one would be D, not C, B, A. Yeah, I see. I know where I'm going. SP's got this nailed down, hasn't he?
Yeah, I just said keep flicking from screen to screen.
That's all right. As long as you can work it, that's the whole point. Is for you to be able to work it out. Yeah.
What are you looking for now? The last one?
No, second to last. Did you say which one second to last one was?
D, not C, B and A.
Yeah.
D, that's the top right.
Yep. And then the last one.
DC, not BA. DC, not B.
Not B.
No,
That's B.
Say that again, Gary.
Second one down on the left.
Right, so D, C, not B, not A. Yeah, you all right. There you go. One completed map. Right then. So, the next phase. The next phase is now you need to group them. Right, so I'm gonna stick it in here, mate, so you can see it, yeah?
I can see that all right.
There you go. So we now need to group into either 2s or 4s, all right? So let me pick a colour that can be has a massive contrast. There. Oh no, not that one. Yellow. Yeah, that'll do. Right.
So you'll get your not C's and your in that square there, won't you?
Yeah. Well, first of all, we've got a 4. Yeah. Look.
That's what I said. That
we have a
that
4.
square.
We have a 4. And we have a 4.
And we have a 4.
Yeah. Look for the big ones first.
Oh, you can do it like that as well. Then.
Yeah, as long as it's in 2s or 4s, mate. Yeah. So as you can see, with just those 3 expressions, right, we've covered every square bar 2. Can you see?
Bar 2.
Yeah.
Not D, not C row. Them 2 there.
Yeah, there's one here and there's one here.
Yeah.
So what you can do is you can either do that 2 there, which means that you're cancelling D out, or you can do this 2 here, which means you're cancelling C out. It doesn't matter which one it is, yeah? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same. I'm going to cancel C out, yeah?
Yeah.
On both of them. So I'm going to have a square there and a square here. There's no right or one way. You could have gone the other 2 squares, but I'm just doing it so it cancels C out on both expressions, yeah? So now, I'll paste this into Discord now. Now we need to reconstitute this back into an expression. All right? Right then, guys. Come on then.
This is a bit I don't understand.
You ready? Do you want me to do it and then you do the next one?
Come on, SP.
Right. All right. Let me go through this again. So with this one, we've got three fours and 2 2s. Yeah. So we're going to have 5 expressions that we're going to come out with. Yeah. So let's start with the first one I did, which is this big 4 here. Yeah. So because A's are not cancelled out and because the B's are not cancelled out. Yeah. Yeah. So it's going to be A and not B. And that's it. Because we've cancelled out the D and we've cancelled out the C's. Because it goes across all 4. Yeah? So this is just A and not B. Right? So A and
don't get it.
not B. You don't get it?
Not at all, no.
Alright. Okay. Let
There's
me
SP.
let me put this, let me just put this away and I'll explain it. Let me just put this away so I don't lose it. Yeah. There we go. Right. So let me do this again. Yeah. So I'm gonna. Right. Here we go. We've got a clean one. Yeah. And I'm gonna go through one at a time. Yeah.
I get the masking them out.
Right. But here, so we're gonna do the first one. Yeah. Which is this one. Yeah.
Right. You're working on that.
We're just working on this 4. That's the only one I'm working on at the moment. Yeah.
Right.
Right. And the way to work it out is, let me change pen. Let me go to red. No, blue. That's it. Right. The way to work it out is to say, right, what does this cancel out? Well, first things first. In fact, let me... Oh, annoying this is. Blue. Right. We cross both the C and not C, so we cancel out C, yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
And this 4 also cancels out D. Because it crosses both D and not D.
Yeah.
So what are we left with?
A and B.
A and not B.
It's not B. It's
Not B. It's
the not's hidden a bit by the yellow line.
There we go. I've took the yellow line away.
Yeah. A and not B.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you get that?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Think so.
Remember, we can't. If you cross the pairing, so we've crossed it here, you cancel it out. Same with we've crossed here, yeah. We also crossed here as well, but it still means it's cancelled out, yeah. So all we're left with is A and not B. All right. Right. So let's do the next one. So the next square. So I'm gonna put the square on. Yeah. The next square was this one. All right. So what are we doing there? So what's cancelling out there? That's the first thing you need to see. What are you cancelling out?
B and A.
So we cross the A, so we cancel out the A. And you're right, we're crossing the B, so we cancel out B. So what are we left with?
C and not D.
C and not D. So that's the next expression, C and not D. Is it starting to click now?
Slowly.
Right, so the next line we had, so let me go back to yellow. The next line we had was this one. Here.
So that one will come out at C and not D, won't it?
So Are you sure?
Not C
Are
and
you-
D.
Say again.
Not C and D.
Yes, that's better. So that is then or,
Getting tired.
not C, and D. Yeah? Right.
Yeah.
And now we add two more. Yeah? Two little ones that I decided that I was going to do this box here and this box here. So these are the last two expressions. So what are they?
One of them will be B, and the other one will be not B.
Now I want the full expression. Just do the top box, mate, first. Do the top box. What is that expression?
I'll just be B, won't it?
No. What are we crossing and what are we cancelling out?
Hello.
Oh,
John here.
sorry.
Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy
D.
the stream.
Not C, and B's left, isn't it? No.
No.
No, because you got rid of D and B.
No. Well, which box are you looking at? The top or bottom?
Got one.
Right, the top one is...
Cancelled out C.
No.
Oh, A, B,
Yeah, and...
D.
Yeah, got it. Because you cancel out
Not
C.
D.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So it's not D, yeah? Because we don't, we're not into the... So this one is only in the not D region. So our next expression is A and B and not D. Yeah? Right, what's the final box? This
So
one
that'll
here.
be not A, not B, and D.
Look again. Hi, Inspector
No.
Diameter. Welcome. Are you the person that just followed? Welcome.
Not A, not B,
Yeah.
and D.
Not D.
What? Where's it? Where's it in D? It's... What's this?
So you've got that one left, haven't you?
No. Right, this doesn't cross over the D. So what are we on in D?
Oh, you're not D.
Yes. You were saying D, and it's actually not D because we don't cross into the D. Yeah. Is this where you're getting stuck? Yeah. Remember, we're only on not A. You've got this nailed for A and B, not A and not B. But because we are still in this double, which is D, not D, that is all we have. Yeah? So the last expression is, as you said, not A and not B and not D. Yeah? You get that? Say if you don't. Say if you don't.
I'm still confused.
Right. Let me while we're still on this one, yeah? While we're still on this one, let me do this. Maybe this might help. So I'm going to go to the blue. I'm going to go to the blue pen. Right, I'm going to erase all this stuff. So we're starting from scratch, yeah? You ready? Blue pen. Remember, we are only highlighting what we're in, yeah? So we are in the not A region, yeah?
Yeah.
We are only in the not B region, yeah? Okay so far?
Yeah.
We are only in O. C and not C, which then cancel out. So you ignore that. And then here, we are only in the not D region. Does that help?
Oh, you're only going by where the yellow box is?
Yes, only where the yellow box is.
Ah, right.
Does that help?
That makes sense now then.
So you now understand how we got
yellow box away.
Sorry, say again, mate.
I was thinking you took the yellow boxes out of the equation.
No. The yellow box is what we're trying to. Yeah, the yellow box is what we're trying to define. Yeah. So.
Yeah.
So now you understand how we got not A and not B and not D.
Yeah.
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 That's why we only deal with ones and not zeros. Only deal with things that are real, not nothing.
Yeah. All right. So we take this, and we'll paste it in here as segment 3. Why does it not stay? God dear, copy. Right then, segment 4, boys and girls. Let's get on, shall we?
Time is it? Time I was going to bed.
Well, if you need to, mate. Yeah.
I'll leave this to SP. I'll call it a night.
All right then.
I'll have a look at tomorrow. See how SP gets on.
All right. Okay. All right then, mate. Well, if you carry on watching the VOD, hopefully, I mean, you've got it. Hopefully, in essence, hopefully. Do you want me to paste this into Discord as well, so you can? There you go. So you understand. So it helps you understanding, yeah.
Can do, yeah.
There you go. I've pasted it in Discord for you. Right. So we've managed to do 3 segments out of 8. You know what I'm going to ask you now is that, once you've worked it out, you've got to code it up.
What, in the simulator?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I think getting it all on the screen might be a challenge.
Well, no, I mean, it's just data, mate.
Yeah. But to build the logic gates, I think it'd be build each one separately and then call it like segment 1, segment 2, and then combine it up again.
Yeah. But that's going to be the homework, is to code it up in 6502 so we can run it through the simulator.
Oh, you're going to put it in that simulator?
The simulator?
I thought you meant the logic one.
Well, we can actually put it in the simulator, but also the 6502 simulator. Going to do it in both. Got to do it in both. Got to do it in both.
I'll make you a cartridge to plug in the user port, shall I? To test it.
Hey, it's not a bad shout anyway. I mean, yeah. Anyway, we'll carry on doing this, right? Because what I want to do is I want to get to at least 5 segments, yeah, and then I want the rest, everybody else, to figure out the last 3, yeah. And then we need to put it. So once we've done the first 5, then we'll start putting it in the logic simulator, yeah. And then we'll have to code it, and that could be another stream. SP will do it all for us. Well, I'm trying to get across that this is how logic works, because a lot of people don't understand logic. And I understand. Right, all right then, mate. So I will talk to you later, yeah? Yeah? Has he gone?
Oh, mate.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm still here.
You thought he was going to bed.
I thought he was on about something else.
No, you said he was going to bed, mate.
Yeah, I am. I was just waiting for you to finish talking before I turn the sound off.
All right then. Right then. So, segment 4. Segment 4. Take care, mate. Right. Here it is. So, we need to start with this one. Come on, SP. Come on. Who's going to tell me where that is? Who's going to tell me where that is? Correct. Next one. Where's that one? Yep, you're right. Right, next one. That one. Where's that one going? There. Yep. Next one. H20. Not DC. No. No. Doesn't go there. Oh, hang on. Is it me? D, hang on, D, not D, C, not B. Yeah, it is there. So I was looking at the one below. I was looking at the one below. Right, next one. That one. He's restored your faith. Right, next one. H21. H21. D. C. No. No, mate. It's not. I know this. This is not that one. It's not that one. No. H22, yes, that's the fella. Welcome, Smith Mule. Welcome in. Right, next one. Where does that one go? J21. D, not C, not B, not A. Yep. Next one. This one here. Where's that go? J20. J20. So there. So, D, not C, not B, A. Yep, correct. Here we go. Next one. J19. J19. That's there. So D, not C, BA. Yep. That's where that one goes. Next one. G21. G20. Really? G21? Okay. So D, C, not B, not A. Yep. This one. G20. Yep. And last but not least, G22, so it's down here, yeah? D, C, B, not A. Yep, there we go. Right then. Right, so remember, in groups of 2 and 4, how many can you do?
That's horrible, that one.
I know, I was just thinking that myself. Hang on. I'm gonna move the cursor away so I can recapture that, because this is gonna be sticky. This is gonna be sticky. Right, where's me pen? Oh, right, yellow. Right then, remember, groups of 2 and 4. Come on. So try and see if you can do 4s to start with. You reckon the 7?
Yeah, I think that's minimum you can do 7.
Yeah. Well, so here we go. We can do a 4 here. So there's a 4. Yeah. And let's see where else. So let's do the obvious. Have we got any more 4s in there? No. Right, so let's do the 2s. So
I'll forget about wrapping round like that, so yeah, 6.
oh, have I just reduced it down by 1? Right, okay. Right, so let's do that 2 there.
Actually, it might be 5. I'm getting tired.
That 2 there. That 2 there. And this 2 here. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Got 5. Way me. Way me. Right then. Let me put this in here. So I've got it for reference, and I'll put it there so I can see it. Right, so I'm going to rub out. So I want you guys to tell me what that means. What does that mean? So, sources put D and not B.
No, I haven't. Spitz has.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry,
Spitz. Right, Spitz has put D and not B. And the reason for that is because A cancels out We cross over the C, so that cancels out. But we don't cross over the not B, and we don't cross over the D. So the answer for that, as Spitz puts, is not B and D. Right. Next one. So let me rub out this little lot. And I'll remove the square. And I'll put the next one in. So the next one I picked out was this one, wasn't it? So what is that one? Anybody? So remember, you have to if we cancelled out it, you don't have to put it in. So A and B and not C. So A, so let's put that in. So A and B and not C. So let's...
Okay, my message didn't appear, but I typed it ages ago.
Say again, mate. You typed it in ages ago.
I actually typed it before Out Fluff.
All right.
And it's still not there.
And it's still not there. Right then, so let's do this. Right, so the only thing that cancels out is this one. And so it's A, B, and not C. Right. Next one. Right, next one, which is this one.
A, not B and C.
A, not B, and C. Yep. A and not B and C. Right, let's do the next one. So the next one was this one.
It's not A, not B. No, not A, not C, not D.
Yep. Not A, and not C, and not D. And the last one was... The last one was this one here. Oops. The last one was this one here.
Not A, B, and C.
Yep. Not A, B, and C. So now, did everybody understand that? Because this is all about learning. Yeah? All about learning. Did everybody understand that? This is how we try and simplify it. So, we've got... Because if you haven't, let me know now. So, let's copy this. And paste it in. Oops. Undo. Paste it in there. Yeah, no worries, mate. Right. So that's four of the 7 segments. Right? I'm going to leave it because I want you guys to do the last 3. Yeah? to do the last three. What we're going to do is we're going to take the very first segment and we're going to build it up in here. But before we do, one thing we need to create, because we are now looking at 4 inputs. We are now looking at 4 inputs. And do we have a 4 input? Do we have a 4 input? No, we don't. But we'll make one just the same. Just a quick one for the 5th. The number 4 should be off, not on. Is that right? For the 5th, the number 4. Zero, 1, 2, 3. For 5. You are right. Oh dear. Can you imagine us building that and it go wrong? That would have been. Oh, Alto, is it ads time? Oh, you're back. Yeah, well done, mate. You're right. Well done. Well spotted. Well spotted. That would have been painful to try and debug that. So, I'm going to put this spreadsheet in Discord. And I want people to work out the... where did I put it in Discord? It was in GitHub, wasn't it? At Boolean, there we go. Right, where's Discord? So I'm going to put it into the... I'm going to put it into the homework. I'm going to put it into the homework channel. Right, here we go. There we go. So I've put it into the homework channel. So the spreadsheet's in there. All you need to do is do the last 3 segments. Right, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a new component with 4 inputs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So name them A, B, C, D, and we are just going to put ands on there. So and output. So let's just do this. There we go. So save. Another chip. Oh, another. Oh, yeah, because it's a 4. Blue. There we go. Right. So we're going to try and create the first segment. We're going to try and create the first segment. All right. So the first segment was this. So that was the first segment. So we're going to try and build the logic for the first segment. So we need to put our inputs in. So let's put the inputs in. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll label them. A, B, C, D. And we're going to have an output. And this is going to be segment 1. Yep. Right then. So, let's do the obvious ones, which is this. Let's get these all sorted out. And I am going to move these. Give us some room. Give us some room to maneuver. There we go. Homework 2 logical error. OSK bot error. The command was not recognised. Nice. Right then. So the first one is not A and B. So we're going to have B's are going to be yellow. C's are going to be green. D's are going to be blue. Right. So now we've got the colour strategy. Right. The next one. Right. So it's a 3 and. So we'll get a 3. Get a 3 and. Here we go. And it's not A. C. And D. Oh, hang on. Let's do a bit of bendiness. There we go. And that's blue. Yeah. Next one is a 2, so that's just a normal and. So it's not A. Not A and not C. Next one is a 3. Right, let's get these more. There we go. Next one's a 3, so it's not B. So our first not B. So that is yellow. Not B, not C. And D. Okay, and the next is a 3 as well. So I'll put another 3. Let's just get these a bit arranged a bit more, so we've got some space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 2 more, don't we? So let's do this. I'm going to do this one again. So delete. So that to there. Green. Right. So and we need 2 more 3s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need another one. Right, third from the end. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So A and B. So A. Oops. A and B. So B's yellow. A and B and not D. Our first not D. Which is blue. Right, next one is A and C. A and C. Make that green. And A and C and not D. And the last one is A, B, and C. Right, so A, B, yellow, and C. Green. And then we need to OR these. So here we go. OR. Put one there. 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 On there. I think that should do it. Right. That goes into there. That one goes into there. That goes into there. That goes into... We can do that into there. Into there. 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 Right. Need to make a 6-in-1 OR. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, this is essentially what would happen. So let's bring that down. So basically, if to test this out, right, if everything's off, we should be on, which is correct. If A is on, then we should be off. Right, if C is on, we should be off. Oh, get in there. If A and B are on, we should be on. So A and B are on, we should be on. Get in there. Right, what's the other combination? Oh yeah, D. If D, B and A are on, it should turn off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay, let's pick another one at random. So that one on. So all three are on, yes. Turn off A should be off. Ooh, that is not working. Oh, we've got a bug. Got a bug. Must have made a mistake somewhere. Ooh. Lost faith? Oh, come on.
That's E. Yeah.
That's E, yeah.
And which segment are we on? I don't know. Oh, you're doing something else.
Cobblers, yeah.
Cobblers, yeah. That's E. It should be on.
Yeah. Oh, hang on. That's off. Oh, God, dear. All right, see you later. Phase returned. Right. Well, there you go. It's getting late. Yeah, it's getting late. And I was working on that maze game all day. Right. Oh, all my boxes have disappeared. Right. Let me... Where's chat? There it is. Right. So, this is what we need to do now for every segment. So I'm going to save this. So this is segment 1. Right? Segment 1. So that's segment 1. And we need to do it for all the segments. So let's do segment 2. Where's segment 2? Segment 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so let's create another one. New. So A, B, C, and D. One on this side. So we'll call this segment 2. A, B, C, D. And we will try and have them evenly spread out. Right, we'll put the knots on. Get them connected up. So this will be yellow. This will be green. This will be blue. Blue, 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 blue. Can't get to it. Can't get to it. Oh, that's annoying. Blue. Right. So, this is what we're going to try and do. This. That is what we're going to try and do. So, we need an and, a 3 and. So, 3 and. We need 1, 2, 3, 4 3 ands. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, I'll move them over here a bit. And we need a 2, a normal 2. Right then. So let's start, shall we? A, B, not D. A, B, A, B, not D. Right, not D. Blue. Right, so that's the first one. Then we've got A, not B. A, not B. And C. Then we've got not B, not C. Right, not B. Not C. And D. Oh, that just reaches. Then we've got not A, not B, not C. So not A, not B, not D. And the last is not A, not C. Not A and not C. Right then. So we just need to OR them together now. So we'll put one there. We'll put one there. We'll put one there. Right, let's just link all these fellas up. So we need another one there. Right then. So, if we go for segment 2, all zeros is on. All zeros is on. So, and then 1 is off. No, that's not right. That's A, yeah? That's not right. That should be on. Yeah, that's right. That is right. That one is wrong. That one is wrong. So we do have a bug. We do have a bug. We'd have to revisit that one. What else is off? C. So if C's on, it should still be off. C. No. Even that's not right. I think A's throwing that one. Right, let's redo number 2. Let's redo number 2. Let's do a quick check. Right, that one. Right, not D, not C, not B, not A. Not D, not B, not C, not A. That's that one. Not D, not C, not B, A. That's that one. Not D, not C, B, A. That's that one. Oh. Ooh, that was not nice. Also, that's wrong. Not D, not C, B, not A is there. Right, next one. Not D, not C, B, A. That's there. This one. Not D, C, not B, not A. That's that one. Not D, C, B, A. That's there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've done that one. Now I'm on that one. D, not D, C, not D, not, oh, D, oh, John, D, not C, not B, not A. That's that one. D, not C, B, not A. That's that one. Oh, have I done it wrong again? Oh, come on, John, get a grip. I'm on this one.
You made an error on that. It's not B.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. I'm on this one. D, not C, not B, A. That's that one there. And this one is D, not C, B, not A. That's that one. Oh, I've done it again.
You want to redo your last one again?
I've done the last one.
The J20.
Where have I gone wrong again? I did that one, yeah? D, not C. D, not C.
You need to highlight J20. You clicked on red text in the square and not the colour of the background.
Right. D, C. D, not C. B, not A. That's there. And then this one is D, C. not B, A. That's that one. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. Oh, why are you popping up? Go away. Right then. Let's do this again. Right then. Let's start with the big ones. Well, there's a big one there. There's a big one there. Right. Let's type this out. Right, start with the big ones. So, we have not B, not B, not C. That's that one. The second big one was not A, not C. That's that one. Then we've got A, B, and not D. And then we've got A, not B, A, not B, D. That's that one. And last but not least is not A, not B, not D. Right, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah? Well, that's different than what we had before. That's different than what we had before. So, let's do this again. Right. So before I had not B, the other four are the same. Right, okay, so was that the first one, was it? Which one was that? The third one. So it's this one here. So not B, not C, not D. Oh, fourth one, that's this one here. So it's just a 2 now, okay. So we've got a where is it? Not B and not C. Right, not B and not C. Right then, let's try it out, shall we? So where it went wrong is when we went with A, and it's still on. Oh, it is on. We're segment 2, aren't we? Right. So that's 1. Then that's on. Yeah. Then 3 was on. 4 was on. Oh. And we're still wrong. Right, let's set them up again. Set them up again. Right, first one is 2. Is a 2. That's up there. So that's not B, and not C. Yeah. Then we got another 2, which is not A and not C. Then we have a 3, which is A, B, and not D. Then we got another 3, which is A, not B, A, not B, and D. And the last one is a 3 as well, right, which is not A, not B, and not D. I can't be bothered with that. That's annoying that you can't get to that menu. Right. Right then. So, or these 2, or these 2, or this. Right. Let's start from the top. All off is on. 1 is on. A is on. B is on. A and B is on. Right, we're on a winner. Right, they're off. That's on. Yay! Right, the next one to be off is this one. Oh, get in there. Get in there. Then this should be on. I think. No, that's off. No, we're right. We're off. The next one that's on is that one. Yeah. Then that's on. Yep. That's on. That's on. That's on. This is off. Right. That's on. Rats. That's not... Oh, hang on. Am I looking in the wrong place? No, I'm looking in the wrong place. That's off. That's right. That's right. This should be on. Yes. That... The last 3 should be off, and all 4 should be off. Yes! We have got a working model. Right, save. segment 2. Yeah, we got there in the end. Segment 2. Right. Let me save that. And I will delete what's on there. And I will re-upload it. There we go. Re-upload it. Right. What time is it? What time is it? Oh, 10 more minutes. We should be able to get away with the next one. We should be able to get away with the third one. Right. Menu. New. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. D. B. C. B. A. So this is segment 3. Right, let me copy segment 3 so I can make sure that I'm doing it right. Right then. So, segment 3 is this. So let's get the knots in there already. Blue, green, yellow. Right. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3 ands. 3 normal ands. Right, 1, 2, 3. And then we've got 2 3s. 1, 2. Right. So A and not B. C, and oh no, it's not C, is it? Oh yeah, C and not D. Not C. Not C and D. And A. A, B. Not D. And the last one is not A, B, oh, got that wrong, Not B, and not D. Right, not A, not B, not D. Right, so let's get the O's on there. So we'll put 1 for those 2, 1 for those 2, 1 for those 2, and 1 there. So, and goes in there, that goes in there, 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 there. Right then, so all the zeros is on. 1 is on. 2 is off. Yes. 3 is on. 4 is off. Oh. No, 4 is on. 4 is on. 5 is on. Yeah. 6 is on. 7 is on. 8 is on. 9 is on. 10 is on. 11 is on. 12 is off. 13 is on. 14 is off. 15 is off. Get in there. Get in there. Save. Segment 3. Get in there. Right. One more. One more. No. A, B, C, D. Right. Let's label them. D, C, B, A. Right, let's get the knots in there. Knot, 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 knot. Right then. So, fourth segment is this array, is this combination. So here we go. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3 threes. 1, 2, 3. Right then, so not B and D. Not B and D. A, B, and not C. A, not B, and C. Not A. Oh, finally we got a not A. Not A. Not A. Not C. And not D. And one more. So we've got not A, B, and C. Right. One for you two. One for you two. One there. One there. Right. I didn't think that connected. Oh, that didn't connect. There it is. Now it is. Right. So, segment 4. So we are on for everything off. Put 1 in, we go off. Yes. 2 is on. Yeah. 3 is on. Yeah. 4 is off. Yeah. 5 is on. 6 is on. 7 is off. 8 is on. 9 is on. 10 is off. 11 is on. 12 is on. 13 is on. 14 is on. 15 is off. Get in there! Get in there. Hee. Right. So, I've saved that, didn't I? I did save it, yeah. So if I quit that, where's the projects get saved? Where's the projects get saved? Oh, I was gonna put the project in Discord, but I don't know where it is. Oh, that's annoying. That's annoying. Oh, that's annoying. Oh, guys, I was gonna give you the project so you could carry on working. Oh, hello. Who's? Oh, we've been raided. We've been raided, and I was just about to sign off. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? I was just about to sign off. Welcome in. Welcome in. I'm just trying to figure out where this thing saves. Hang on. Let's see if there's anything anyway. Aha! Right, okay. Right, okay. Let's go nosing about. So, users, me, app data. Where's the hell's app data? Hello everyone, welcome in. No, I can raid. If somebody tells me where to raid, I can do that. Hang on, let me just do this. App data. Local low. Sebastian. Oh, there it is. Sebastian. Digital. Version. Okay, version. Projects. Oh, there it is. Yay, we found it. Right. Found it. Right, let me do this. Zip it up. Got it. Right then. So I'm just put this in Discord in homework. Digital Logic Sim project, and they need, right, we need to put it in there. Need to extract to here. There we go. What's bold in Discord? What's bold in Discord? Aha, got it. 2 stars. There we go. It's usually a, yeah. Well, hello. How are you doing? Right, we've been working out the digital logic of an 8-bit 7-segment LED. We've done 4 segments. Now the homework is to do the other 3, and we have done the chips for them. Yeah, so we've done the chips for them, so we should be able to edit. Should be able to edit, I think. Oh, I don't know how we edited them again. Anyway. Oh, library, that was it. Edit. Confirm. So we've now worked all this out. Yeah. Got it. Thank you. So this is what we're doing. We're doing 4-bit, a 4-bit number into a 7-segment display, displaying all the hex digits. So 0 to F, and that's what we're working on. Yeah. So this was asked by a patron who wanted to know all about Boolean logic and Boolean logic expressions. So we've been messing around learning how to build these expressions up here to do this. Right, I was about to say goodbye. So who should I raid? Let's go and raid somebody. And now I don't know many people. Most of the people I know I play games. Who should we raid? Any suggestions? Let's see. Any suggestions? Right, I'm going to pick one at random, yeah? I'm going to pick one at random. Should we go to... You want to go to Charlie? Alright then, we'll go to Charlie then. Alright then. Well, thanks for joining me. And Raiders, I'm sorry that... oh. Hang on. It says I've spelt it wrong. Hang on. Where's raid? There we go. Raid. There we go. So
And it's been cancelled.
it's been
Well done.
cancelled. Oh, I'm no good at this game. There we go.
Either you did it or he's got it. Oh no, there we go.
There we go. There we go. All right, guys. Well, thank you very much for joining me. We'll continue this. Remember, homework. Got to get the homework done. I'll do it as well, just to make sure. All right. So, see you in a bit. Take care. Bye.
Cheers, Bill. Bye, everyone.
Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.